Hi friends, now we have HP EliteBook laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the battery. We removed the panel. This is the battery. The battery has been bulged. You can see here. The exact battery model number is CS03XL. Okay. This is the battery. We have the new battery. I will show you how to fix this. Same model. Okay. Here in the battery itself, they give two screws here. Now the laptop is switched on. See, now the battery percentage is 74%, 47 minutes until fully charged. Wait for few seconds to 75%. If it is 75% mean charged means the battery is working fine. Yes, now the battery has been 75%. Now the battery is working fine. Okay, thank you.